I'm going to a formal today. The rope from Vietnam has been brought out. Things are getting serious right now. I got invited to go to a formal for like Greek life. I'm not going with the guy, I'm going with one of my friends named Maya. In about 20 minutes, it's about to get really loud. There's gonna be a couple of girls coming over and we're all gonna get ready. I just am getting a head start because I know myself. Whenever I host people over, I just wanna like help everybody. I will stress myself out if I don't end up having time to do my hair. So I'll do my makeup when everybody else gets here using the Heritage curling iron. Hold on, I need to re-roll. Heat protectant, this is like my favorite one. It's from Redken. It makes my hair look so glossy. I can't wait to show y'all my dress too. I ordered it specifically for this event and I haven't worn it yet. So for anybody that's new here, hello, I'm Caroline. I'm a junior in college at Boise State University. No, I am not in a sorority. I feel like that's something that I just never really thought was for me, even though I love living vicariously through all of my friends that are in one. I think it's just fun. It's a cute thing. If I wasn't busy with making music all the time, filming videos, teaching bar classes, and being a dog mom, I probably would be at a sorority. I do think it's a great way to put yourself out there if you're in college and you're struggling to make friends or you just want to find like a good group of sisters. So yeah, I've never done the whole formal thing for any sorority or fraternity, anything like that. I did get invited to one my freshman year, but the guy that asked me, you guys know this, I felt like I would have to entertain him. It wasn't one of those people that was okay with going as friends. It was almost like, okay, if you go, then you owe this person something. And no, I don't owe anyone anything. So yeah, excited to go with the girls. Ashley's making a Black Rock stop. Do you want anything? Oh. So sweet. I just had caffeine, so I probably shouldn't. I do want something. I can't pass up on Black Rock. I'm kind of feeling a tea today. Can I? So sweet. By the way, look at how cute this case is. Can you believe that this is from TikTok Shop? I caved, you guys. I caved and I bought it. Your girl has no regrets. Because I love you guys, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of my new Christmas song that's dropping. I think by the time that this video goes up, it'll be really, really close to the release date. I'll put it on the screen. Down the Aspen slopes, while the world stood still and the street was I'm gonna show you guys the dress that I picked out. So the theme is Gossip Girl, and I think that this dress absolutely fits it. It's a mini black one. It's kind of hard to see. Neck is halter, and then there's these little side straps that just wrap around. I'm gonna put on the dress right now, see how it fits. I don't know what shoes I want to wear. I have these cute little white heels that like lace up around the sides. That could be an option. And now we pray that it fits.
I think this one is your thing, and then because McKenna, did you have peach? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, the girls are here. They're getting ready downstairs. Masha and I are gonna go pick up Maya, which is the girl that I'm going to formal with, but she doesn't have a car, so I'm gonna go drive to campus, pick her up, and then we'll all get ready back at my house. House music always hits the spot, you guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shout out to Ashley for coming through with the Black Rock. If you don't like strong tastes of green tea, then maybe you won't like this Black Rock drink, but I grew up drinking green tea. Maybe it's just an Asian thing, but genuinely, not only does it help my stomach, but it's like a natural source of caffeine that doesn't make me feel crazy wired the way that a lot of like energy drinks do. Look at you, pro balancer. About to get away from the bagel. Look who's here!
Guys, why isn't my curling iron working?
Okay, and then pictures, and then honestly from there,
Or if you
we're playing it by ear.
Okay, cool.
What is the plan, McKenna?
So pictures and then
Dinner, maybe?
Dinner of
I
sorts.
don't know.
Yeah, at least,
It's hard with timing. If you don't get there by 7:15, you're not getting in.
yeah. What do you doors closed?
Seen the regular late? I was on the treadmill. I was like,
Wait, that's not where I
I
love
was like, wait, I gotta meet you right now.
you, me, 1975?
McKenna, this curling one's like good.
Thank you, it's Caroline's.
Yeah.
I love the thin barrel on
I
it.
can't.
I'm gonna put on this Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Body Oil. This is like the best secret hack to look glowy and just smell amazing. Smell this.
That smells like good. Like sugar.
Shimba body oil.
Is that on a
I've never heard that.
What are you talking about?
Maya, what are we doing? Going to formal! First, we're doing pictures, which is utterly the most important part.
Yes.
It's chili chili.
I'd say. Yeah? Look at that wind. All right.
Can you sing us a little lyric from Wonka?
Oh my gosh, wait, from which song?
It's
Noodle, noodle, apple strudel. Some people don't and some people do.
It's not centered.
Update. How have pictures been?
So busy here.
There's 3 different sororities. Hi, I'm Carly.
This is my twin.
Carly. We got tin roof tacos. Fish.
She got grilled, I got fried. Barbecue brisket.
Oh my god, there's an explosion.
They got nervous because we're right
Oh jeez, what the?
Who screamed all over your daughter? Guys, first bite. Cheers.
Everybody cheers.
Thank you so much.
This is so Christmas core.
So Christmas.
It's
Like I was just saying that. Get ready.
Wait, this way first?
Oh yeah. We bring the boom to you. We bring the boom. Your favorite fathers. That's so stupid.
Go for it. Good morning vlog. How are we doing this morning?
So wonderful.
So fabulous.
Yay.
Let's give a recap of the night. Favorite part about yesterday.
Okay.
Rate the whole night on a scale of 1 to 10. Favorite thing that you ate?
Not that cake.
Not that icing.
My favorite part of last night was when I got to take a little nap break on Megan's couch. I needed it. I was running low on energy.
A photo of that.
And sent it in the group chat.
I did.
I rate the night a 10 out of 10 because I had the best date ever. She was very popular with the ladies.
You know what? I just kept getting stolen away from my date. It's okay, because we got to have a sleepover,
A
so.
little movie night,
So
watched
what?
Hot Frosty on Netflix. 10 out of 10 watch, definitely recommend. What was the last question? Oh, favorite thing I ate? I ate that pizza, but like not at the beginning when we were like leaving and it was cold and like kind of dry.
Favorite thing I ate? Pizza, but I had the thin crust one. I didn't get like the Domino's thick crust. Best part, dancing with Maya, that was a 10 for me. If anything was gonna like knock it, it would be how cold it was. When we were walking from like the Capitol to the car.
It was so windy, I was like flying.
It was she was Wonka.
No, my favorite part was McKenna non-stop singing the Wonka soundtrack.
McKenna, if you're watching this, we love you. And we want a private performance of
Yes,
Wonka.
please. No, we have to do like a screening together where she performs it.
Have you
The
seen the
sing-along
movie
version.
yet?
Yes!
I haven't seen it yet.
She's not gonna like that.
These are like casual,
Which ones?
casual walk.
Hi, Much. Hit it. Oh. Did we just walk 11 miles or what?
You know, casual Saturday.
It's going. It's live.
We are on the way to get Caroline's first chicken bake from Costco. And a double chunk chocolate cookie.
Yesterday, we were calling my boyfriend, giving him a little recap of the night. And Maya was talking about like chicken bake and like double boom, quadruple boom. Yeah.
He was like, it gets more boom.
He knows what's up.
That's when I gave my nod of approval.
Yeah, she gave the nod of approval. And I didn't know that a chicken bake was one, something that Costco sold, but also that it's like popular. Like it's a thing.
Yeah.
So for the people that are like me and don't know, explain what a chicken bake is.
Oh, I literally looked up the ingredients. It has chicken breast, bacon, Caesar dressing, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, pizza dough, and green onion. And it's basically like all that is in this like baked thick crust, like
pizza crust or tortilla?
pizza crust, like, and it's like just long. So
I'm so
our
excited.
stomachs are grumbling.
Yeah,
Post 11-mile run, so.
Yeah, if you guys saw that, we kind of were athletes this morning. We've made it to the premise. How are we, Maya?
Hungry and it's crowded.
Why is everyone and their mom here? Oh my gosh, it's happening. Cookie.
On me.
It's on me, Mom. I have a sugar mom.
We didn't hear it. She was like, I put it back.
Yeah, that's it. That's right. It's chicken bake.
Yes, she's never had one before.
And the cookies.
8,000 degrees inside now.
I know, they're really hot, so it's gonna have to cool down. It might need to cool down a bit.
Yeah.
Special occasion. Oh my god.
I feel like guys' bodies are just wired
It's
differently.
not fair.
It's not fair.
Okay, first bite.
We have to cheers.
Blow on it though.
It's like a pizza pocket. Quadruple boom.
Literally boom it right now. Boom, 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 boom. No wonder they made a song about it.
Cheers.
Cheers.